Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. Because
We're gonna prepare. We just relax for a while, and I'm watching the, the Casa de Papel. And then now we're going to put something on my face, and my kilay should be fixed. So I will do it. So guys, tapos na tayong nagkikilay. Kahit pa hindi pantay yung ating kilay. But it's okay. So hi guys, welcome back. Tapos na tayo nagkilay. Tapos tinali na din natin ang ating buhok. Ngayon naman mga langga, we are going to unbox something. Ayan. So we are going to unbox this 4K camera, ultra HD action camera. Ayan, so that's it. We're gonna unbox this. And anyway, this is from Vavato. And I win a bidding also from this camera, action camera. And here this is a 4K ultrasound action camera, Wi-Fi, and waterproof 30 meters. Ayan, 30 meters, waterproof. And specification, LCD screen, lens, optional languages, record video. Format of record video is MP4. OS. And applications, extreme sports, outdoor sports, bicycles, driving, family safety, etc. So, this is it, mga langga. So, this is inside the box. So, this is the camera with a case already. Yeah, with a case already, guys. So, and then we have the belt and another extra cover, and yeah, to put in a lot, no? Here is for, see that? A lot. And we have this. And we have for charging and to stick on if you are in a car, or you just and yeah, also a holder. And this is, I don't know, maybe for a bike. I think for a bike, if you are riding a bike, then you can put this. You can clip, and here is the USB, the port, and yeah, small frame, and that, and last but not the least, this, I don't know, and this is for the lens to wipe it. So, and here is also, I don't know, what is this? Like a tie. And yeah, and in a manual, a small manual, no? So, here, we're gonna put back inside the box. And all of this. So, I think I have a a price, how much I paid for this. I think only 14 euro. Ayan, 14 euro. But anyway, I have a GoPro 7 silver, and I did not use it even once, guys. I did unbox that before. I don't know where, maybe somewhere there in the cabinet, but I have a GoPro 7. And then I have also another one, action camera, but it's in the Philippines now. But yeah, so I have two here. This one, and it's nice. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if we try to film using this camera. If we will try to film using this camera. So that's it. Our unboxing for this. No small thing. Ayan. So this is it. It's not clear with that. So this is it, mga langga. I would like to say thank you to all of my supporters from my channel number. Thank you very much. My subscribers, my OnlyFans, thank you for being my subscribers there also from my YouTube channel, and to my secret viewers that subbing me there, thank you also. And then to my super chatter, Mr. Colombia, thank you Mr. Colombia for being a good friend to me and for the support for me and to Ruha, thank you. And Langga Ruha, thank you. Langga Ruha, thank you very much for the birthday. Birthday. I am trying to use the eyeliner, but not now. I forget again. I have still the pencil there for my eye. So I use that first before I use your liquid eyeliner. Thank you very much, Langga Ruha. So this is all our unboxing today. And I will have something to unbox later on after the small thing and then I have a big unboxing soon. Ayan, thank you guys, and happy Friday everyone. See you in my next vlog. But anyway, I will do a yoga soon. Using only this. I have short and so see you. Naglibog ba?